Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Dan from DHTV, and today we're going to be unboxing three of Apple's newest iPhone 14s. We've got the iPhone 14 Pro, iPhone 14 Pro Max, and the standard iPhone 14. Let's get started. Alright, so we're going to start by opening up the iPhone 14 Pro in deep purple and the iPhone 14 in purple, and we'll compare them to each other. Now, first thing you'll notice of the two is that the purple on the iPhone is lighter on the emblems there, so you're going to have that lighter purple look. On the iPhone 14 Pro, you've got the darker emblems all around there. So we'll start by opening the 14. And there it is right out of the box. So you're going to get that type of color. It's almost a very cream or whitish looking color. Inside the box, you're going to get your iPhone charging cable. So that's Lightning to USB-C. You've got your paperwork and documentation here with one Apple sticker and your SIM ejection tool right there. As for the iPhone 14 Pro, much deeper purple color you can see right out of the box there. Put that down. We'll take a closer look in just a second. Again, you're going to get your charging cable and the same paperwork with your SIM card ejection tool and then one Apple sticker. Just peel back the plastic here. There's the front of the iPhone 14. Again, that color on the back. Peel away the plastic here. And there you go. We'll actually boot up the iPhone 14 Pro really quick so you can see the new dynamic island as it appears, and the iPhone 14 as well. Right there. So in terms of size, you can see that these two phones are pretty identical. There's that dynamic island right there. And in terms of the two colors, you're going to see a dramatic difference here. One being a much darker, deeper purple, and then the lighter, almost cream white color on the left. The camera bump is a lot thicker here on the iPhone 14 Pro model than it is on the iPhone 14. Now let's open up the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Now this one I got in space black. It's always changing. The name is usually space gray, graphite, black, matte black, whatever you might want to call it. But you can see again, the logos are going to be in a black font or blackish gray color. Same with the Apple logo on the outside. So we'll just peel this away here. There we have it in that space black color. Peel this back. Power it on. Now, if you are planning on picking one of these up, keep in mind, none of these are going to come with your power charger. As usual now, Apple's not including those. You're just getting the standard stuff here, Apple stickers, your charging cable. Now, if you are trying to decide which one of these to pick up, there are a few things to keep in mind. Obviously, the Pro model iPhones are going to have more of the cool new features. The iPhone 14 is no slouch though. It's still got a lot going on. And you also have the iPhone 13 Pro and 13 models that are available as well. Now, the one thing to keep in mind with the Pro models is they've got a brand new 48 megapixel camera built right into them. So that's going to give you incredible photos. It's one of the biggest changes Apple has ever made with their camera lenses and their cameras since I can remember. Also, you have that new dynamic island, which is that sort of pill look on the iPhone 14 Pros and Pro Max, whereas on the iPhone 14, you're just going to have the standard notch at the top. Not a big deal, but it is if you want something different. This is where you're going to find the biggest differences. In terms of the colors, this is the purple. It looks almost whitish, but it does have a hint of purple, especially when the light hits it in certain angles. The sides of that particular model, you can see is silver. So you're going to have a silver side to that, whereas the deep purple on the iPhone 14 has a very dark, almost purpley blue color to it. And then you can see we have that fingerprint sort of stainless look on the side. So as soon as you touch it with your fingers, it's going to sort of muck that up. As for the matte black or the space black, whatever Apple wants to call it, you're going to get a black sort of stainless edging there as well. And then you can see the matte black, how it looks right there. Now the 14 Pro This is it right here. It had that sort of light blue color, Saturn blue, whatever Apple called it. Still available, so you can pick up any one of these, but you're not going to be disappointed no matter which iPhone you pick up. They're all good phones. Honestly, if you have an iPhone 12, 12 Pro, 13, 13 Pro, even an 11 Pro, I wouldn't upgrade to these 14 Pro models just yet. There just really isn't enough to them to sort of justify that upgrade. Unless you get a deal on your upgrade, then why not? But if you got to pay full price, stick to what you got. These are Apple's new iPhone 14, 14 Pro, and 14 Pro Max. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more videos. I'll be posting tons of iPhone 14 Pro tips, tricks, and tutorials, and there's a link in the description to the full playlist right now if you're interested in checking some of those out. Let me know in the comments what color you like best or what color you're planning on getting, or if you skipped this year's models of iPhones. I'm interested to see what you guys decided this year. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.